Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing a Python runtime on your phone, Termux for power, Pidroid for ease. Once installed, grant storage and network permissions so scripts can read files and fetch packages. Next, open the app and update its package manager, then create a project folder and pip install the libraries you need. This prevents runtime errors later. Make sure to keep versions consistent because mobile environments often differ from desktop, and that reduces debugging time. Now you write and validate code directly on the device. Use the app's editor or sync code from Git. Once the file is loaded, run a small test to confirm imports and file paths work. If an error appears, read the traceback, fix the line, and rerun. Repeat until stable. When available, create an isolated environment so dependencies don't conflict. This approach keeps iterations fast and helps you understand how mobile resource limits affect performance. Finish by packaging or scheduling your script. Export to an APK if the tool supports it, or run the script as a background service. Once deployed, monitor logs and watch CPU and memory. Optimize by trimming heavy libraries and delaying work. If things go wrong, check permissions first, then confirm the interpreter path and exact dependency versions. Mismatched packages cause most failures. Finally, restart the app and device to clear locks, and rerun tests to ensure the problem is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.